Hi everyone, my name is Emma Stetler. I'm a sports physical therapy resident up here at Mayo Clinic Square. Today I'm going to be taking you on a tour. Really awesome to have the players in here, and as a resident too, I get to work with the Lynx, which is a really awesome opportunity. So let's go take a look. Right, and this is our waiting area here. We're on the third floor in this location for physical therapy. Downstairs on the second floor is our physician office. So patients come in here, they check in with our lovely desk staff over here. Usually you get to see the practice facility, and so if players are in there practicing, patients get to watch them while they wait, which is really awesome. This is where patients typically sit. They'll fill out their paperwork here. Nice, lovely waiting area here, and then we'll head back to clinic. This is our open treatment area, so occasionally we'll do evaluations in here. It's a little bit quieter than our main gym space. And we've also got all of our modalities here, so getting people ice and compression on game ready. Patients really love it, especially after a hard workout. This is a great place for patients to recover after a session. This is one of our treatment rooms here. If a patient needs extra privacy or sometimes for evaluations, we'll utilize one of these rooms. This area is where we spend the bulk of our time treating patients. So we've got our squat racks over here. They're all Kaiser system, which is really awesome. We've got our pulleys over here that are also Kaiser, our cable machine, which is really great if you want to modify loads. We've also got Olympic lifting platforms, so we can get people back to some higher intensity lifts. And then here we have our treatment tables over here. So a lot of us, if we're doing manual therapy or evaluations, we'll start on the table and then we progress to more loads. And here we've got an underwater treadmill, when you can also use it without the treadmill. Then you get real video feedback as well, so patients can see what their legs are doing underwater. We can also do a swimming analysis in this pool as well. So this is our AlterG. It was actually custom made for the Timberwolves, so it is extra tall. You don't see them this high usually. So that's kind of our fun fact about our AlterG, which is an anti-gravity treadmill. This is where the magic happens. This is our turf field, my favorite area in the clinic. You can do so much on all of this turf. We'll drop the nets down. You can have patients return to throwing, pitching, batting. We've got soccer balls. So we've got everything you could ever dream of as a sports physical therapist or as an athlete patient. We've got sleds over here. This is probably our most utilized space, especially when it comes to that end stage, return to sport, return to performance piece. So when it comes to return to sport, we've got pretty much everything at our disposal. We've got lots of these nets here that we'll drop down when it comes to return to hitting, throwing, volleyball, soccer, lacrosse, all of the good stuff. That way we can simulate real sport activity in clinics. You make sure your patients are ready to get back into the action. My favorite day at work is when I get to play catch, because who doesn't love to play catch and get to do it for a job? We love it. It's super fun. One of the biggest highlights in residency is mentorship. You get really great mentorship here, and that consists of seeing patients with your mentor. They give you awesome feedback. They pick your brain and challenge you a little bit. And then sometimes you get to have a little bit of friendly competition with your mentor and absolutely sculpt the floor with them. So we're going to go,